Discovering the charm of pub garden. Hello learners! Today, we'll dive into a popular British phrase, pub garden. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. So, let's get started. Pub. This is short for public house. In simple terms, it's a place where people can drink alcoholic beverages, usually beer, and sometimes also eat food. Garden. A garden is an outdoor area with plants, flowers, and sometimes grass. It's a place where people relax, enjoy nature, and spend leisure time. When combined, pub garden refers to an outdoor area of a pub where customers can sit, drink, and sometimes eat. In many parts of the UK, pub gardens have a special charm. They offer 1. A breath of fresh air. Instead of sitting indoors, customers can enjoy their drinks in the open, feel the breeze, and soak up the sun on bright days. 2. Social setting. Pub gardens often have large communal tables, making them great places for meeting new people or enjoying time with a big group of friends. 3. Family-friendly. Many pub gardens are spacious, providing room for children to play, making them suitable for families. To help you understand it better, here are some example sentences. 1. It's such a sunny day. Let's find a pub with a nice garden and enjoy the weather. 2. The pub garden at the Rose and Crown is always bustling in the summertime. 3. I prefer pub gardens because they're more relaxed and you can hear the birds singing. There you have it. Now you know what a pub garden is and the cultural significance behind it. Next time you're in the UK, or watching a British movie, and you hear this phrase, you'll know exactly what they're talking about. We hope this video has been informative and enriching. Cheers to learning more together.